Alright guys, so this time we're gonna drop in the same day so that like, you know, like team is equal and that we know who's really gonna come or not. So everyone's here before we drop these players. And we have 4 captains this time. Darating. Pero pwede pikunin. Bro, kuha na kayo.
First pick ko si Jello.
Riggs, kung sino ka ng first pick? Tingnan nyo. First ka? Sige. Nagkakabilihan ako dito. Mamaya pwede pa kayo mag-trade bago magsimula. Sayang, hindi ko nakuha. Last pick. Ito po ang pinakamatagal na drafting natin sa history. Waiver. Just in case. Yan yung mga team. Yan na. Ito na yung cheerleader. Finally, Omar, we're on the same team.
Go. Me and Topi, respect the house, respect the owners. Everybody pick up after yourselves. Good sportsmanship. Respect the refs, whatever they call. No fighting, no arguing.
Committee, respect the committee.
You respect the committee.
I was just informed, most of all, respect the table. The committee over here.
The table.
Muse. You want me to add anything else?
Yeah, just no players can play more than 10 minutes, so everyone can.
You guys make sure to rotate on your teams. No player play more than 10 minutes. Captain,
I'm sorry.
in charge of that. Just rotate. Be fair with it.
30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes.
Be fair with it. Any questions?
3 minutes. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Let's go!
Eh, yung kakalaban mo pala kaya pala wala na. Sabi ko siya baka ba technical pa dahil sa akin.
Easy! Lance,
Dude, you gotta waste the clock. Oh no!
Oh, nice shot.
Hey! I'd probably drink. Oh my god. Nice. I can't believe they lost. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to run it.
Malay mo yung galing niya, pupunta sa akin. Malay mo yung galing niya, pupunta sa akin. Oo. Ang galing mo. Butsang nila eh. Oo, kanya yan eh. Sa'yo eh. Nice yan. Puta. Lay out ng mga playboys! Dito mo na! Kaya! Muntik na ha, muntik-muntikan ka na. Down.
Let's go! D!
Ay, music.
Ayun.
Ano ba music? Ang ganda nga ito. Music ko po lahat. Alam mo yung espresso ba yan? Espresso, Taylor Swift, nagsado ko na eh.
As mine.
Ano gagawin ko? Asan yung speaker na isa?
Nice! Hey, keep it!
Hernandez in front of Alan. Del Borri, Gabon. 1, 2, 3. Yellow to Infinite Brazil. Easy 2 points. Omar setting the play at the left side there. Attempting the 3. Oh, the good rebound by his teammate Omar. Carl using play in between his opponent at the right side. Harasi plays 2 opponents. Number Alves at the top of the field. Aldo attempts straight free throw and baseline. Alan for the 2 points. By the West. 3-on-3 situation. Ceballos stolen by the claw. Hendricks Blackman Joshua. Here comes Joshua. Nice! Ito, alam ko dadak-dak ko tayo na. El Hanavia. Bando. Nice shot by Bando. Rebound by the ball. Dokar. Here comes now Omar. Slowly but surely down to the corner. Slick Rick at the 3. 1, 2, 3. Here comes now Laurent. Uy, Nauna yung bounce.
Cut!
Gago! By the white team. Easy 2-point by Ian.
Communication.
Nawala ng signal. Bando. Step back. Malupi na ng kondisyon by Bando. Balik na conversion ng Oscar. Easy 2-point by Ian. Right, moving for the students, down to Bando. Bando looking for his teammate at the top of the key. Here comes Mahalen. Kaboom! 1, 2, 3! Ian answered the 3. Too strong. Rebound by Omar. Hindi ka na pala nalala ng books.
Ito yung bracket.
Si ano?
Oh, yeah!
Aldrin at the middle. 2 on 1. Stolen by the black team. Here comes the Omar. Pulls up short. Rebound by himself. Here comes the one. Nice shot by Omar. Stolen another duck ball. Omar now to Omar again. Back-to-back points by Omar.
Oh, it's not bad. 59-45.
Push it, don't wait for them. Push it, go!
Nice cut! Ino kanan, no? Hey!
Run!
So, gamitin niyo yung tres niyo. 3-pointer kayo dyan. Right there. There it is. You guys have a shooter. Use that. Oh, you guys have a shooter. Bro, may shooter kayo, ha?
This guy! This guy!
Pressure! Wow! Good pass! Good pass! Shooter! Shooter! Nice pass!
Nice move.
Hey, no! Single D!
Go up like that.
Hey! 3 points! There you go! Shooter! Hey!
Nice shot by Earl.
The same team or different?
Omar short.
You know how to... No, it's when you click it, it's going to start. Give me a second.
Oh, the ball goes to the black. Sweetheart, you.
Still start with
In for 3, no good. Rebound by Hendricks. Omar to Ian. To Sweetheart. Nice layup by Sweetheart. Shot. Board shot by John is good. Quick to Ian. There you go.
Bang bang!
Nice shot by John.
Oh, hindi pa kami mo din to? Hindi lalaro.
John, baseline. Rebound, still by John to Earl, to King. King for three. Kaboom! Uno. Eleven, 17, 6 points lead by the black team. And the black team looking for which is Omar, almost good ball. Almost no team. And the white team. Here comes that shot. Shot the king. Big palm up shot and one. King completing the 3-point play.
Oh, stepping!
Next time, nakita ba?
Omar, uno.
Nice, come on.
Omar, sweetheart. By the black team. 19 going to the right side, looking for his teammate Earl. The better. King, pick, left side, pump, and one again. Malamao. And 3-point play by
Di ba maitim lang? Purple po eh.
Bakit? Ano nangyayari? Kulang ba sila?
Hindi ka kaitin, kulang na yun.
Baka sulo mo muna ito ang anak mo.
Kapiling ka niya. Oo nga no? Yeah, tapos
to Mighty to Doppel ball. No good, rebound by Earl. He's turn it over Earl. Yes. Still made to Earl. Earl, nice. Ay, too strong.
All the way!
To that. Del Bobby. Uno. Dos, tres.
Oh, nice.
Nice reverse leg up by Earl. Lima na lang. Ay! Nakakaroon kayo ng mga cookies. Ako! Uno! Dos! Tres! Pupos na ako.
Tira mo yan.
ano saan?
Nag-iinit na po ang white team. And one beautiful pass by Jose to Earl. And the lead down to 2 again. One bonus shot for Earl to complete the 3 points. Play to gain another point.
Ding ding.
1 point.
Drex!
Oy! Katawan! Action mo yan ha, para highlight for wheels.
Matingin ulit dito ha. Iyo, tingin dito.
And the white team, the 100 to gain the lead.
Yay!
Goal! The lead now goes to the white team, 34-33.
Edwin!
Last 2 minutes.
Rex, tingin mo na dito. Ayun. Shoot! Yan! Yan! Edwan! Good, nice shot. Bing bing. Sapa! Oh, 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 oh,
Rodel too strong. And the ball goes to
shoot!
Ian Bordrake. Two free throw.
2 seconds, 2 seconds.
2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
Ang dami niyan.
Teka lang.
And
4 points lead by the black team. Ball King Bordrake. Kamo, oy, sayang. Okay.
run!
Where's your pickle to, Ian?
Wait, let's give him a little more.
Pickle juice, yung expired na. Gusto ko yun eh.
See, that Earl's good with that. He's good with his hands.
Bayan, masasabi mo, championship na to after.
Panis yan.
Hindi pala ang vlogger eh.
1 point lead.
Bang bang!
That was a late call. That was a late call.
Yellow, yellow, tingnan mo dito. Bang bang! O yellow, tingnan ulit! Yellow! Tayo na, namin pistol oy.
2 points. Sino na ako muna tayo na? Omar, 2 points.
Get the outlet and go.
Oh, they gotta get the offensive rebound. Look.
Oi! Yellow.
Bang bang! Whoa! Nice pass.
Here
Galing na kay
comes
Mike
now
G.
the white team. Shot looking for a significant. Back Omar looking for his teammate to
Sweetheart! Bang! Boss, tingnan mo na dito, boss.
Ayan o, kita nyo na. Dagger. Gusto na kaya ni Arik.
Oh!
Good.
Happy my face.
Bisa dyan, good yun.
Nag-kiss.
Nag-kiss lang, nag-kiss.
6 points.
Ito. Oo. Yari na. Ayun na.
Rebound by Mike G. And one.
And what?
7-point lead. Goes down to 6. No good. 15-43. Easy 2 points by the black team. Nobody see that. Black team. Here comes now Hendricks, the black team. Del
Behind the drink.
55-40. Ay, naka-steal pa. Easy layup, sweetheart. Back-to-back point. Napalakas lang. King. King slides at the left side. No good. Rebound by King. Back to John. John, easy to. Sampung na lang ulit, oh. Mike J. Yes, sir.
Bing, bing.
Tingnan ka na na. Hey!
Tira mo.
Bang, bang! Uno. Dos, tres.
Ay.
Uno. Dos, tres. Check.
Bing! Bing! Bing!
Five points na lang. 5 points. 5 points na lang po ang kalaban team. Together and one third personal foul.
How many you have on team?
That's a flagrant. Flagrant.
Summa cum laude. Yes, sir. Lian, free throw lane. Rebound, Stimmer.
Labas mo na yung dimple!
Ay, ngiti naman dyan!
Labas mo na yung dimple!
Ngiti naman!
Here comes now. Earl for three. Ay, sayang.
Hold it. Defense, defense. Hey, backward.
Sabi ko, magbilyar ka na lang, friend eh!
Oh! Isang point na lang. 1 point na lang. Is this for the lead? Is this for the lead? Oh! Change favor!
Ay! Tumay na pala yan! May stop na yan!
Patay! Tuloy! 1 minute! Kaya pa! 1 minute left!
Ay, sure mo, lalaki.
1 minute left! Ay, nag-stolen, sayang! Patay kayo! Ay, ubos eh.
Straight mo, tol. Straight mo. Straight mo. Straight mo ito.
Sa gibig, para mas effective.
Kilig! Sila kamay kaya! Kami lang kamay!
Men, extra siya na, men. Tama na. Hindi yan eh. Bilis ang puta.
Kulang ang shawarma.
Bilis mo kaya niya rin!
Okay, ano sabi niyo? Ano sabi niyo sa ano?
Yung mga pang-inject ng stem cells. Dapat po, prepared kayo. Pag nanalo daw sila, sweetheart, may after party, sa Tesla.
Let's go! Mga namumuligat na lahat ng tao dito. Isa, dalawa.
Ano? 911, tawag tayo 911. Richard.
Abang! Okay ka pa?
Pwede pa yan! Tangin na. Yung Raymond ka, urgent ka eh. Pwede pa yan.
Let's go, Omar!
Brother Omar! Oh, puro ano ni.
Ay! Victory!
Uy!
One point na lang! Walang clutch by Toby!
72-73!
Grabe! Sweetheart! Iyan!
Iba siya! Ay, nabakta!
Manood ka lang dyan!
Nasaktan!
Let's go, Sweetheart! Sweetheart, i-shoot mo yan!
Taas ng score, oh. Naiwan si Daddy. Buti nakaprema si Daddy.
Kuya, box out ha? Kuya, shooter!
Baliktad kayo dapat. Omar, dagger. Dalawa. Yes! Brother Omar.
Let's go, brother!
Kuya, shooter!
Brother. Yes,
Let's go! Hold it! Let's go!
Ganda. Sayang kayo dyan, ganda. Walang foul, no? Edward.
Pre, kayo na ulit.
Mamba.
Maglalaro.
Sakay na, ayoko na. Pagod na ako.
Envelope. Tapos para pang ring ganun nila.
Mag-i-interview ako. Ay, sorry.
interview yan?
Mag-i-interview ko, pupunta ka naman championship?
Hindi eh. Next season siguro.
Next season?
Yeah.
Next season na lang.
Crumbs kasi, crumbs.
Ano nangyari?
Ewan ko.
Sino pa ba na-cramps ka? Championship?
Okay pa.
Okay pa ba?
GG pa. Ako, may chance sila Ayan. Manggulang.
Ano?
Stab na ako na.
Masakit ba katawan?
Pinupulikat na.
Sinong pagpanalo kay Jackie na laban ng championship?
Championship na yan. Championship na talaga yan.
Championship na ba yan?
Tuloy ako eh, dapat tuminom
Wala nang game.
Nandito po sa ating mga balita. Ang inyong mga pag-iusig sa pangko. Excuse me po, pasok.
Championship! Richie! Sweetheart! Aba, ganda ng pasa ni Sweetheart ah! Let's go! Galing! Sweetheart! Tres! Score mo dito.
Mababa na 20.
Mababa 20, di ba? Ngiti naman dyan! Ngiti! Oh, nilap na lang sana bro. Inasa mo pa kasi. Buhaya ka na. Pasok mo bro, may soda ka sa akin.
Soda ko sa
Wait, what the heck?
Alright, so we made it all the way to championship. I don't know how. So, but it's twice to beat because they haven't lost yet. So
Majority of the players are cramping. We'll see. And this is the real championship.
Ayaw ni Topi.
Okay. Sige. Si Topi na lang. Hindi pwede. Team nyo lang. Kasi pagka ginawa natin, magugulo na tayo. Nice. Hey, thank you guys. Thank you. Next time again. Yeah. Okay, so si ano na lang, si Monron na lang, kasi siya yung committee. 4 kayo. Alright, so we're voting for MVP. Okay, here. Sa winner.
Naubos ba yung bahay mo? Sino yung ginagawa?
Raymond kasi grabe.
So what do you guys
Dito kasi si Alex eh.
Sino yung MVP?
4 kayo, kailangan mag-ano kayo. Vote.
Sinong vote mo? Sa kanila?
Sa kalaban?
Si Sean. Si Sean. Ikaw. Sean. Okay, Sean.
Alright. Kay Sean ka tsaka kay Matt.
Gusto niyo sa plastic?
Ikaw tayo nasabi.
Yung plastic.
Yan. Kasi Ranz nasabi hindi na makakatakbo eh. Who else? How come we're more?
Si Sean.
Ay, wow.
Yan. Ang ating season MVP, season 3. And this one is for Matt.
Dalawa kayo dito. Picture muna kayo.
Picture.
Guys. Suot natin para masaya.
Picture muna. Nasaan ka na lang sir?
Teka lang po, photo.
Si Mike.
Photo, 1, 2, 3.
Fuck you!
1, 2,
Kaya nag-imbita kagabi.
Go, Alex.
Congrats.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ayan po ang teammate.
Thank you.
Saan ka lang sir?
Saan yung bola?
Congrats guys!
Kasi teka, nag-picture ito yung hawak yung bola dito.